She was busy all day, and at the end of it, nothing had changed.
By 8 a.m., her mind was already full. She wasn't wasting time. She was preparing.
At least, that's what it felt like.
Her brain rewarded her. A small sense of progress.
That feeling has a name. It's called a placebo.
Something that feels like it's working, even when nothing actually changed.
By noon, she had checked many boxes.
The brain doesn't clearly separate preparing from doing.
It only sees boxes being checked. That's the illusion of progress.
When a task feels uncomfortable, the brain quietly replaces it with an easier one.
Psychologists call this cognitive substitution.
She was exhausted, and her brain took that as proof.
That shortcut is called the effort heuristic.
And because nothing was finished, her mind couldn't let it go.
The brain hates unfinished business. That's the Zeigarnik effect.
She wasn't unproductive. She was perfectly fooled.
This wasn't a lazy day. It was a placebo day.
No trace of work. No result. Just a feeling.
And that's when the case became simple.
This wasn't one person's day.
This was yours.
You're not lazy. You're just busy. In the wrong direction.
And now you know where the day went.